Hi friends! Before we end this lesson, I have a really cool and exciting experiment for you. So, put on your lab aprons and goggles and get ready. Because what we are going to do today is dissect a frog. We are going to try and identify its internal organs and see its external and internal structure in more detail. Now, before we start that, let me give you a little bit of information about frogs. Frogs belong to the kingdom Animalia and the class Amphibia. They are multicellular organisms that have tissues, organs, and organ systems. On the outside of a frog, you will see two external nostrils, two tympani, which are also called eardrums, and a pair of eyes, each of which have 3 eyelids. That's pretty cool. The third eyelid is called a nictitating membrane, and it's transparent in color. The frog consists of a digestive system of digestive organs, juices, and glands. It has a respiratory system, which is made up of nose and a larynx that opens into 2 lungs. There is a circulatory system, which has a heart, vessels, and blood. To excrete its wastes, it has a urinary system, which has kidneys, ureters, bladder, and cloaca. The organs of the male and female reproductive systems naturally differ. The male reproductive system consists of testes, sperm ducts, and the cloaca. However, the female reproductive system consists of the ovaries, oviducts, uteri, and the cloaca again. So, these are the different systems we will see. And last, but certainly not the least, there is also the central nervous system of the frog, which consists of the brain, enclosed obviously in the hard skull, the spinal cord, which is in the backbone, and the nerves branch out from these, creating a complex network. The frog's skeletal and muscular systems consist of its framework of bones, and obviously all the skeletal muscles are attached to these bones, helping the frogs move. Now, in addition to your lab aprons, you will need a preserved frog, a dissecting tray, some paper towels, a dissection kit. Dissection kits can be commonly found in stores that sell surgical supplies. So just look for it in a store near you.